cutting off a starter open switch default code. And they replaced the part, and he couldn't give me an explanation of why it does it. Okay. Or anything like that. So, I mean, that's pretty much where we're at right now, right downstairs.
Okay.
German Shepherd.
Pretty big one?
Yeah, he's a good sized full-grown male.
Nice.
Alright. Set everything down. Oh, this is the Kelvinator. Are you familiar with these furnaces?
Yes and no. I mean, they're not the best one on the market.
No, when I got this house 10 years ago, she put it in right before. We sort of had an agreement that but she went ahead, obviously, because it was cheap.
Yep.
And that's why we're here.
So, let me do some tests. Furnace turned up, is it?
Yeah.
Go ahead and turn that up to where it comes on.
I got the switch on the side.
Oh, just off? Okay,
Yeah.
Gotcha. So, right off the get-go, we'll do a test of the draft to see what we're getting. Alright, so we're at 0. And it's 1.53, 1.67.
KG7TC100. I guess I replaced the pressure switches.
A two-stage valve.
Green. So it's a
Pressure switch. So, we know that's good. So let's test the drain. Well, that's kinked. That was kinked. Wonder if that had anything to do with that.
I don't know, it looks like it even just threw it in either.
So let's see if that had anything to do with it not pulling it in. That's not flashing though. Oh, there it is. Spoke too soon. So, we're getting good pressure there. So let's see what the flashing green light means. flashing green light. Flash. Pressure switch open fault. I think we might have a bad board. Because I was moving this around, it kind of started
Clicking in.
yeah. Yeah. So it's a bad board. Seems like we have a bad board. We lose connection somewhere. So that's kind of loose. So let's see what we can find here. So these purple wires go into the pressure switches. So, what I'll do is I'll open these up a little bit. So it makes good connection. Yeah. These you can't really do much with.
Shift the wires a little bit.
Vacuum. So I'm thinking it was just loose connections on the board, or it could be a bad board. Well, I guess at this point we can kind of sit and wait and see what happens. Well, one of those are These furnaces aren't the best. These are, I think they're like Nordyne or something. Calvinator. Yeah, Nordyne. Right there. This is a low-fired trailer furnace. Been just a loose connection. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so I'll get a board coming, and the next step would be a harness, wiring harness, but I'm thinking we got a loose connection inside the board. So let me get rid of this. Put that back on. Went through Blue On. Not a sponsor of the channel, but it's pretty cool. I can find parts in here. Okay, one of two things. I'm pretty certain this is the board, or it could be the wiring harness, but I'm moving the modex connector around and it shuts off.
What's the modex?
This right here. So I kind of took it out and I opened up the leads and I got it up and I got it to run. I did this one and I also did this. It's just like that.
Okay.
So if you want to try to keep it going with just this, we can, or if you want me to order a board, I can do that as well.
What do you think that'll run?
I can let you know. Yeah, but if you move it, there's a short in there somewhere.
Yeah.
So
That's crazy.
and you can see how loose that is.
Yeah.
So basically, I just took the little screwdriver and kind of spread those out, but it's just not making super good connections. So yeah, that's what's going on. We got good negative pressure. All the pressures are good. It's not the pressure switches. I mean, it might have been at one point, but typically, most generally, the pressure switches don't go bad unless they're super, super old. So yeah, that was the reason I did the first thing is I checked the pressures, make sure we're not getting any goofy pressure, but everything's checking out good. So. There's a couple times that went on, and then the gas valve didn't open up.
Yeah.
So, but the past two times I fired this up, it came right on. Is this so? This has been intermittent, or just no heat?
No heat. I mean, up until a couple of days ago, when they replaced the thing, you could kick off with the switch, wait a couple minutes, kick it back on, and then fire up.
Okay.
But then, like a couple of days ago, it just kept sending that code.
Okay. Yeah. When that's the first thing I did is I started moving stuff around, and I could hear something clicking, so I knew it was this connector here. I was going to try to zip tie that, but I don't think that's really going to matter. Kind of keep the pressure on, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, I think we could. What do those boards usually run?
Let me go. I'll let you know.